What is going on, you guys? Alex here with Team 1EV, bringing you another install video. Today we're working on this Ford Lightning and we're going to be installing the BuiltRight Molle panel. This is a super simple bolt-on install and all we're really going to need is a T30 Torx. So starting off, we're going to take our T30 Torx and remove the 4 bolts holding on the factory tie-down point. We're then going to remove the 2 bolts holding on an additional tie-down point at the lower rear. And if your truck has the factory bed liner, they do spray over these hooks here, so it's a good idea to grab a razor blade and cut the liner so you don't peel any of it up. Once that's done, we can put our Molle panel in position and you can see it just bolts up to these factory locations. So we'll take the factory tie-down points, place them on top of the Molle panel, and then put our bolts back in. I like to get all of the bolts started before we tighten anything down all the way. Then we'll just tighten all of our bolts down snug and the install is complete. We'll repeat this exact same process on the other side. So that does it for our install today. Super simple, super easy, looks great, and adds some functionality to your truck. So if you want to check these out for yourself, you can do that at team1ev.com. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, and if you're not already, subscribe and hit the bell to be notified whenever we post new videos. We've got lots more install videos coming very soon. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.